Hello everyone, welcome to the channel. In today's video, we will see how we can create multiple pipelines in the deal section of Bitrix24. So let's start. First of all, we have to click on CRM option. In CRM, we will get in section of deals. We have to click on deals. Then there we will get in multiple option to create sales pipeline and tunnels. We have to click on that. Once you click on that, as of now, you can see we are having this multiple pipelines has been created. For now, we will be creating two pipelines for two departments. I will be showing first one I will be creating for IT department and another one I will be creating for HR department. As of now, you can see we have created two departments. One is for IT and another is for HR department. After that, you can see these are all the stages: new, create papers, invoices in progress. So this is all are customizable. We can customize it according to the requirements of business. Okay. Once you have customized it, if you wanted to add two different pipelines, so you can also do it with the help of drag and drop. For an example, I wanted to connect IT department to HR department from final invoice to one new. So what I will have to do, I just have to click on final invoice and I have to drag it to the new of the HR department. As of now, you can see I have connected one pipeline to another. So this is how you can create multiple pipeline in the deal section and connect it one to another. So thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more content. Drop your thoughts or questions in the comments below, and I will see you in the next one.